Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to draft four different types of flare. Firstly, get your fabric, then fold it into four places. Fold it into four places, whichever length you want to use. For instance, let's assume you're using 15, 15 length 15. So be drafting the 360 flare. We'll be drafting the 360 flare. So what we'll be doing now is that we're going to fold it into four. After folding it into four, as you can see, you're going to get your tape rule. Remember we're using 15 for the circumference. So you are going to, it's for, I measured 4 because it's on paper and it is smaller. So you are going to measure that 15 round like how I'm measuring it. Make sure the length and breadth is 15. A circle does not have length and breadth, it has circumference. Just make sure that the two sides that you are measuring is 15, and make sure you are not measuring it from that open place. You are measuring it from the closed place. You can see where I'm measuring it from. So after measuring it, you are going to, I want to cut the opening for the skirt. Let's assume your waist is 26 divided by 4, that's 6.5. So you are going to measure 6.5. Like when you calculate it around, just make sure it is 6.5. Then you are going to cut it. Our 360-degree flare is ready. As you can see, a flare is the perfect circle, so be going ahead to cut the waist side. This is how our 360 flare will look like round. This is how it will look like. So you can decide to make it 720. 720 will be times 2 of this. You can make it fuller than this. That means you will add 3. You can decide to add 3 of this. Just make sure your waist measurement is accurate. You divide it among themselves. So now I'll be teaching you how to make the 90-degree flare. 90-degree flare. In the 90-degree flare, you are going to just divide it by 1. Like you fold it to one place, then you are going to cuff it. Most times the 90-degree flare is most times used for sleeve. You can use it for sleeve. Sometimes you can use it for gowns, depending. But most times they use it for sleeve. So you fold it to once, and a 90-degree flare is ready. So I'll be teaching you how to sew to cut the 180-degree flare. While the 90-degree flare, you are folding it by 1. The 180, you'll be folding it by 2. You'll be folding it by 2, as you can see. So you're going to measure your 15. Remember me, I'll be using 4. But here you're going to use 15 all through. If I tell you want to use it for skirts or whatever, if it is sleeve, if your sleeve length is 23, you use 23 or 22, depending on what you want to do for. And here's our 180-degree flare. As you can see, our 180-degree flare is ready. It's just half of the 360-degree flare. This is 180-degree flare. Like we've done, I'll be cutting out the 90-degree flare. Remember that the 90-degree flare, I said we fold it by 1. The 180 we fold it by 2, and the 360 we fold it into 4 places. Do you get what I say? The 90-degree we fold it by 1, the 180 we fold it by 2, and the 360 we fold it into 4. Do you understand what I've said? And if you want 720, you make 2 of the 360. Just make sure you've divided the waist measurement accurately so that it will be enough. I hope you understood what I did here, and if you don't understand, let me know so that I can explain again. So thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe if you've not, and kindly like this video. Drop your comment about what you think. If you want us to do more practical on this, or you want to show me what you've done, I'll be there to like guide you on what you've done. Let me know. Drop it in the comment section. Feel free. Bye.